about me, we are here to talk about the 3 key ingredients you need to make presentations that sell. Now, first of all, why do we need to talk about that? Now, we need to talk about that because we have a problem. As I said before, the problem is that most business presentations suck. Now, if you look closely, then businesses everywhere, every year, waste millions because of bad presentations. If you add the money and the time also spent creating best slides, delivering effective presentations, and also attending meetings and conferences that just waste your time, then you'll quickly realize that all around you, presentations are a problem. Now, think of it in pure business terms. If meeting participants remember nothing, and if conference participants sit there bored praying for the coffee break, then the return on their investment is minimal. If your sales speech fails to make customers want to buy from you, your revenues will suffer. If your leadership presentation, if you have a team or if you have employees, if your leadership presentation fails to inspire your employees or your team, then they won't be motivated to deliver on your strategy. And if your results presentation, that this is for big companies, if your results presentation fails to convince analysts that your leadership strategy and results are a good deal for shareholders, then your company value and stock price could go down. So you see, no matter what type of presentations you normally create, but there is always an impact. And the impact of a good or bad presentation has never been higher. The number of presentations given every day has never been greater, but the quality of most business presentations has never been lower. So that's why we don't just have a problem, we have a huge problem.